Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch an online business with zero inventory in 2026, step by step. This means no stock, no warehouse, no shipping, no upfront product cost. This is perfect for beginners who want to start a business with low risk. So let's get started. Understand what zero inventory means. Zero inventory businesses include dropshipping, print on demand, affiliate marketing, digital products, or service-based business. All of these let you sell without holding stock. In 2026, the best options for beginners is print on demand plus dropshipping because it's simple, low cost, easy to scale. Now, choose your business model. Pick one model only. Option 1, dropshipping. You sell products, supplier ships for you. Option 2, print on demand. You sell custom products, supplier prints and ships. Option 3, affiliate marketing. You promote products, earn commission. Option 4, digital products. You sell templates, ebooks, courses. For beginners, I recommend something like print on demand because it's very easy and creative. Now, choose a niche, which is very important. A niche is a specific group of people. For example, fitness moms, pet lovers, students, gamers. Choose a niche that you understand, has demand, has clear interests. If you choose a broad niche, you will fail. Now, create your store using Shopify or WooCommerce. For beginners, Shopify is easier here, right? So create a Shopify account, choose a theme, add products, connect print on demand app, right? And add products without inventory. If you're using print on demand like Printify, Printful, or T-Launch, right? You can go ahead and merge or integrate with Shopify. As you can see right here, are already integrated, right? But you can do that on your own time by searching Printify or Printful, T-Launch, and just download it, okay? You can have products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, hoodies. Important here, use high quality designs, add clear mockups, add good product descriptions. Now, create simple product descriptions that sell. Your product description should include who it's for, what problem it solves, benefits, size or color options, shipping time. For example, let me go to the products here and add a product or import if you have basically the file, right? For example, this mug is perfect for coffee lovers who want a daily reminder to stay motivated. Short and clear, okay? And set pricing correctly, right? Price your product so you can earn profit. The formula, selling price, product cost equals profit, right? Example, product cost 10 bucks, selling price 25, profit is 15 here, right? Aim for at least 10 bucks profit per sale and promote your store, right? You can get traffic from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, right? So for beginners, I recommend TikTok or YouTube Shorts, right? Why? Free traffic, fast growth, easy to create content, especially TikTok, right? Now, create simple content that converts. Here's the content ideas that you can use, right? And just write it down, right? Just don't listen to it. Don't just listen to it. Write it down because this is important. Product reveal, before and after. Why I love this product. Top 5 gifts for. Gift ideas for. Make your content short, clear, emotional, helpful. Your goal is to get people to click the link. And you can use simple automation. You can automate order processing, email follow-ups, abandoned cart reminders. Most apps do this automatically. Automation saves time and increases sales here. So avoid choosing a broad niche, using low quality designs, not checking shipping times, overpricing or underpricing, or posting content without consistency. Consistency is the key here, right? Now, scale after your first sales. Once you make your first sales, double down on what works, add more product, improve designs, increase content output. Scaling is simple when you have proof, right? So, yeah, launching an online business with zero inventory in 2026 is easy, affordable, beginner friendly. You don't need warehouse or big money. You need a niche, good product, excuse me, consistent content, a simple store. If you want a full dropshipping setup tutorial, print on demand, design, Shopify store walkthrough, content strategies for TikTok, like the video, subscribe, and comment zero inventory below to know that you watched the whole video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.